So now we're going to talk about linking your CSS to your HTML. And there's three ways you could do that. Here's the first way. There's external style sheet, there's an internal styles, and then there's inline styles. So out of those three ways, this is the preferred method, to have an external style sheet. So within head, and you'll remember when we looked at the definition of head in MDN, right? It said it can also include links to style sheets or to scripts. Here we're including a link to a style sheet. So we're saying the relationship is style sheet. And here's the reference to it. And so if you include this code in your HTML and you have a file index.html with this code right here, the structure of your document, and you have a file in the same directory called main.css, then this HTML document will find this file and bring in this code. The browser does this, and it will take the header and format the header this way, right? So this is using an external style sheet. That's the way you link CSS with an external style sheet. It's the preferred method for doing it. Okay, so here is the second method for connecting CSS to your HTML. Right inside your HTML document, you can use a tag. You could use the style tag, and this in between the style tag, you put all of your CSS. So here's another way to link your CSS to your HTML document. This is nice to do just like occasionally on the fly. You're just like creating a small document, testing something out. You don't have to go create another style sheet and then connect it. You could just say, okay, right here in the head, I'm going to put in some style tags, type in some formatting, some of my CSS, and now that's already automatically connected to this document, right? And this HTML document will use these styles to format this HTML. So again, the preferred method is the external style sheet. The least preferred method, this is not recommended at all, is to put styles right inside a tag. So you don't need a selector because these styles inside the header tag are going to be applied to the header tag. But I just use this attribute with this value, right? So attributes, tags can have attributes with values. So you're learning a new term here. Tags can have attributes. So this is a style attribute set equal to these values, right? And when I have that, this will format the header tag, right? This is the least preferred method. It's messy. It makes your HTML hard to read. It's hard to update. It's not modular. But you could do it this way, but it's not recommended. So those are the three ways to link or connect CSS to your HTML. You can use an external style sheet, which is the recommended method. You could do internal styles. So right inside the head tag, you'll include a style tag and then put your CSS in there. Or you could do inline styles. So right in line with an element or a tag, you just put the style attribute and then give it some settings. And that's another way. So those are the three ways to connect CSS to HTML.